How's it going, everyone? If you got the iPhone 17, this is how you install a screen protector on it. We're using a silver iPhone 17 Pro Max, but this works for any of the iPhone 17 models. We're using a Tocal screen protector. I'll link it down below if you want to pick one up. This one does have the quick application tool included, so it makes it a lot easier for you. So first thing you're going to do is, if you have a Whoosh screen protector cleaner, this is really nice. This is made to clean your screen. So give your screen a couple of quick sprays. If you don't have that cleaner, you can use the included wet cloths, but I prefer using that screen cleaner. So we'll go ahead, give it some wipes to make sure that screen is nice and clean, just like that. And then you do have also included is this piece right here, which is a little sticker, and this is going to remove all the dust that is left on your screen. So possibly even just from wiping your screen right now, there might be little specks of dust, or if you're in a dusty environment, then this will get all those bits of dust off. So go ahead and do that. Make sure everything is perfectly nice and clean. And then you want to do this next step pretty quickly here so that the dust doesn't form right back onto your screen. So grab your little tool piece right here, apply it right down, make sure it's all lined up nicely right here. We're going to just put it down. There we go. All right, so we're going to make sure it's nice and applied down. We're going to push it. There we go. Push it down right now so it's fully snapped in. And then you can see this little pull piece right here. So you want to apply some pressure from the middle as you're pulling, and then just give it some pressure and pull that tab right out. So you're going to see that screen protector kind of form right down. And there we go. Okay, so you're not done yet. You want to make sure your screen protector is formed nicely. So you want to press it from the middle, and you're going to see the screen protector kind of forming out. And again, now just be very careful with this next step, because you don't want to pull your screen protector up. So what I like to do is these two tabs on the end, you just want to release them from the applicator tool. So there's 4 little spots you want to release, and then you want to press down your screen and remove that applicator tool piece right there. And there you go. Now you can see that there's still some spots that need to form. That's okay. We can get those on out in a sec. But now you want to remove this plastic piece right here. So just go ahead and remove that. There we go. And you can see the screen protector is down there. And then we do have as well included is this little pressure piece right here. So apply some pressure to any bubbles that have formed. And bubbles are okay because they can all be pushed out. Sometimes this applicator tool I find doesn't work the best. I actually like to just pick this up and just use my fingers or my thumb and just apply pressure to any sort of bubbles, and all those bubbles will just disappear. So we can just go ahead, apply some pressure to any of the bubbles that have formed underneath or haven't fully applied, and there we go. Then it looks pretty good. I think there's one little bubble right there. We'll just push right out. There we go. That's good. And there's one tiny one right there. Perfect. There we go. Looks good. And then we're going to grab our cloth, clean it on down, just like that. And you are done and good to go. Screen protector is applied. That's going to fully protect your iPhone 17.